Welcome to my new videos. This is ITEL 2160, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the memory slot of this phone. So the first thing, you're going to peel off the buttons, that is the button keys. You're going to peel it off before you start any work on the phone, as you can see. So after peeling off the button, the second step is to remove your mic. Use your soldering iron and then remove your mic from the phone carefully. Remove it carefully. So now, after removing it carefully like this, now I'm going to apply your paste. Apply your paste. Then you are going to, if you have the workstation, you can use. But as for me, I'm going to use my gas lighter. You can see it. This is what I'm going to use, gas lighter. So this one uses gas. So this one I'm going to use to remove it. It has gone off. Let me light it up again. Light it on again. So this one I'm going to use. But if in case you are using this gas lighter, you have to be very careful because you can easily burn the PCB. So you have to be very careful. You can see the fire from it is very strong compared to normal workstation. So be very careful so that you don't burn the PCB. Very careful. You can see it. So very careful. You can see it. You can see how high inflammable it is. So now let me off it and keep it aside. I've removed it. So now you can see it. You can see the pieces. You can see the pieces. So now I'm going to clean it with my thinner. Let me use thinner and clean the PCB before proceeding to put the new memory slot. So this is thinner. I'm using it. This is my thinner. Let me clean the PCB very well. Clean it very well. Yeah. So then I return the remaining one into the container and then keep it aside. So this is my PCB. You can see that it has a little effect on the PCB. Look at it because of the temperature. But nevertheless, it will still work. So I'm going to get my memory slot now. Let me get my memory slot, a new one. Yeah, I'm getting a new one like this. Let me get it fast, so that I don't want to waste your time. At all. So I'm trying to get one from the pack. So this one is remaining two inside. So let me get one from inside and then show you how to fix it. So I've gotten one from the pack. So I'm going to show you now how you can easily fix this to the PCB and it will work fine for you. So now let me check it. Oh, it's like this one has a fault. It's like it has a fault. This one has a fault. I'm going to change this one. Yeah, this one has a fault. Let me carry the second one. Yeah, I'm going to use the second one for this. Yeah, let me return this one to the pack and keep it aside. Yeah. So now this is the second one inside. So this one, let me check it. Okay, this one is good. This one is okay. The first one had a little challenge, that's why I have to drop that one and pick a new one. So this one I'm going to use to fix to the PCB. So we're good to go. So first thing is, start dropping like this. First thing you are going to do is you take your lead and your soldering iron. You're going to use your paste, and then you use your lead. Apply it to each of the pins. Each of the pin that you see there. Apply the lead to it one by one. don't over apply the lead, please, so that it doesn't breach. Apply it little gently so that it doesn't breach when you are soldering it to the PCB. So now also apply it to the leg of the leg of the main shaft, so that you can hold it firm to the PCB so that it doesn't shake. So apply it. So now we are done with the lead. So the second step now is to fix it to the PCB. So second step is, what you're going to do is you're going to set it very well. Make sure you position it well on the PCB. Position it well before you take your soldering iron to solder it to the PCB. Position it very well. Make sure it is accurate. Look at all the points and all the legs. Ensure they are correctly aligned. Ensure you align it very well. Align it very well. So now we can solder. Oh, that's shake. So now let me position it. Can go. We are good to go now. So let me start. You can see. Try and get it. Let your soldering on the tip. Let it be small like this, so that it can easily help you out, and so that you don't also bridge the legs together. So as you can see, I'm trying to solder the leg one after the other. So trying to solder it. I'm trying to clean the tip of my soldering iron, that is why. So let me use my lead also to help me fasten the work. So you can see, be careful so that you don't bridge it. Don't bridge it, please, because this is directly to the flash IC. So please don't bridge any leg so that it doesn't affect the phone, the flash IC itself. So don't bridge. Don't allow it to bridge. So now I'm done with that. Let me also solder the leg, the main leg that carries that supports the shaft. So now solder it well so that it doesn't allow it to seize when it's working. So solder it well. So trying to do the third one. Do the third leg. Don't want to rush the video, that's why I'm taking it one at a time. Don't want to rush the video. So this is the third leg and the fourth leg now. The fourth leg. I'm soldering it now. You can see. So I'm trying to make it firm. That is why. So I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with that. So now I'm going to use my brush. Let me clean it up a bit. Let me use my brush. As you can see, it is done. The work is done. Can you see it? Look at it, engineers. You can see it is perfectly aligned. So let me use my brush to clean it a bit, to get rid of those lead. You can see it is done. It is fixed now. So let me return back the mic I removed. Yeah, don't forget, return the mic you removed. So I'm returning it now. Let me solder it well, then I'll couple the phone for my customer to take away. So please kindly follow this channel, Phone Clinic, on all social media platforms and also here on YouTube. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye for now.